just out for a little bit of exercise this morning, a little bike ride and a walk. And this is really one of my favorite places. My house is just around the corner, so I come here. It's a gift. It's about 5 minutes from where I work, where we make our jewelry. So it's quite secluded yet quite central. The airport's just over the hill over there, or well over the trees, no real hills here. And it is early morning, and this is where I come and do my quiet time meditation. It's not quite that quiet, however the sounds are very natural and very calming, and it's a great way to start the day. So these rocks, I just like to sit on these rocks and listen to the water. Very calming. It's an excellent way to silence or find a neutral zone, that meditative state, that center, and really blocks out anything else. There may be a barking dog on occasion, which is rare. It's the first time I've ever heard that, but so I shall get on with my morning, and I hope you have a great day as well.